Comparison between hydraulic and pneumatic systems for application selection. Hydraulic systems use incompressible liquid while pneumatic systems use compressible gas. Hydraulic systems operate at much higher pressures than pneumatic systems. Hydraulic systems are generally closed while pneumatic systems are usually open. Hydraulic systems have higher force capability than pneumatic systems. Pneumatic systems have faster response than hydraulic systems. Hydraulic systems offer higher precision positioning than pneumatic systems. Hydraulic systems require more maintenance than pneumatic systems. Hydraulic systems have higher initial costs than pneumatic systems. Hydraulic systems have higher initial costs than pneumatic systems use compressed air for power transmission. Using compressed air to generate, control, and transmit power for automation applications. Compressed air generation includes air compressors and filtration systems for optimal pneumatic performance. Control valves in pneumatic systems provide precise control of airflow and direction. Pneumatic actuators convert air pressure into mechanical motion using cylinders and grippers. List of pneumatic components including compressors, valves, and actuators. List of pneumatic components. Hydraulic systems use incompressible fluids for power transmission. Pascal's law is the fundamental principle enabling force multiplication in hydraulic systems. Hydraulic pumps convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy using gear, vane, and piston designs. Hydraulic actuators convert fluid pressure into linear or rotary mechanical motion. List of hydraulic components including pumps, valves, and actuators. Various components that make up complete fluid power systems. Compressors convert mechanical energy into compressed air. FRL units filter, regulate, and lubricate compressed air for system use. Directional valves control airflow paths in pneumatic circuits. Hydraulic actuators convert fluid pressure into mechanical motion. Control valves direct and regulate hydraulic fluid flow in systems. Hydraulic pumps convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Real-world applications of fluid power systems across industries. Industrial automation uses fluid power for material handling, clamping, and assembly operations. Mobile equipment includes construction machinery and agricultural vehicles using fluid power. Aerospace applications include landing gear, flight control systems, and aircraft brakes. Automotive applications include braking systems, power steering, and production automation. Automotive applications include braking systems, power steering, and production automation.